So what we have right here, we have a nice candlestick pattern, three white soldiers. And the three white soldiers is usually when price forms three bullish candles. And of course, you have another candlestick pattern called the three black crows, and that's just three straight bearish candles. But we're gonna see if the three white soldiers is really some soldiers this morning in the next 3 minutes. Let's see what price wants to do on Euro USD. Like I said, you're going on this trade. So you're going in with a low risk. Low risk, please. Low risk. It's a good analysis. It's a great trade. But then again, we know how the Fed is. We know exactly how the Fed is. So you never want to, of course, hop in a trade and risk so much right when the Fed is about to take place. My advice too, if you are, if you like to do like if you do like to trade news events and everything and whatnot, just have another account for that. Have another separate account. Label it news events or something. It's 2 minutes. 2 minute warning. I feel like we in the Super Bowl right now. Let's see what happens. See what happens. 2 minutes. 2 minute warning. See what happens. If you ain't take any positions, you need like a low risk position now. Make sure you go, like I said, low risk, low risk. Market don't got no other setups right now. Odd USD had one, of course, like I was saying. Odd USD is great bullish right now. Very bullish. Taking a look at Odd USD too. It's great. Looks great. Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro USD. And if you're gonna go for this trade and whatnot too, if you're in this trade, make sure you take profit right up here at 1.09450. So make sure you get your partials up here. So make sure you do that, of course, 100%. 100,000%. It's 5 seconds. Oh, 8:15. We live. Oh man. Y'all welcome. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. So make sure y'all take y'all partials, hit your stop loss and break even, and enjoy the show. That's all I can say. Make sure that your final TP is right here. Yep, final TP right here at 1.09654. So make sure you take profit there. Your final TP. On this trade. But let's see what price does, honestly. Oh, now it's starting to reject. Okay. All right, Euro USD. Come on. Don't fail me. But at least we got TP1 at least. So I'm going to tell the chat right now that TP1 has been smacked. TP1 has been hit. I hope you all enjoyed this trade. Appreciate the fire emojis. Appreciate the fire emojis. Appreciate that. Let's see if price wants to get up there. We'll take a look. But this was definitely a solid trade and whatnot. I literally woke up and saw this. I woke up and saw it. I said, "Oh snap! But oh, hold on. Let's get in Euro USD." So how trading is at this point, bro. You just wake up and you can just see everything you need to see. Once you're at that point, it's over, bro. It's over. Like a market ninja. Let me take a look at the 1 minute though. I hope you all taking some good partials though. I really hope you did because if you didn't, that's tough. You don't want to be a goofy goober and not take partials. Never be a goofy goober. But great trade. That's all I can say. Really great trade and whatnot. Really great trade. TP, of course, TP1 was hit at 1R. TP1 was hit. So now all I can say is we'll just see what happens. Move that stop loss to break even. Of course, enjoy the ride. I'm gonna start going live more too. So get some live trades and whatnot. Let's see what this wants to do. Let's see what I'm gonna look at some other pairs too, real quick. Y'all got any pairs y'all want to look at that may not be on here on my chart list or anything? Anything. Oh yeah, no problem, bro. No problem. No problemo, brother. No problemo. No problem, man. You got any pairs you want to look at, Cam? Anything? Nothing. It's a bet. Jay, you got any pairs you want to look at? Any guys got any pairs you want to look at? Nothing. It's a bet. That's a bet. But we all ate good this morning. Nice turkey feast. Nice, nice brunch. The market gave us a nice brunch this morning. Odd USD, like I was saying, definitely filling in some gaps right now. Definitely filling in some gaps. The price roaring. Price is going crazy right now. Price is definitely going crazy, bro. Oh my goodness, gold. Whoa. Yo, gold is wild. Gold is wild. Gold is wilding out. Oh wow. Gold is flying. That's all I gotta say. Let's take a look at Euro USD right now. Look what Euro USD is doing. Still flying. We still flying. We still flying. When I wanted to get to this TP up here. Definitely wanted to get up to that final TP. Yeah, Euro USD is looking sweet. US 30, I know bought up crazy. Nas bought up out of the wazoo. Surprised Nas got back up to 13,000. Nas used to be super down low, crazy low, bro. Okay, so right now, Nas, let's see what else is going on with Nas. Let me see. Let me see. One thing I will say, what Price did, it definitely tapped into this order block right here, and then like right there, news 815 came. This candle right here, shot up. So definitely, if you were to hop in this trade, you either have to go aggressive or definitely to buy stop or something on this candle. But in general, though, I'll say we do have a new order block that is formed right here. So price can definitely tap in. So we'll see what happens, honestly. Price can tap into this order block because it is currently breaking structure right now. It's currently breaking some structure. So all I can say is price can definitely correct itself right back to this order block and possibly continue its up in its trend. But we'll see what happens. I don't know. We're going to see. It's just all possibilities at this point with the market, especially with high impact news events. When the Fed really hops in the market, the Fed's going to do what it wants to do. So that's a possibility though. Price can just definitely tap right back into this order block right here and definitely just keep going right back up in this trend. Because as we know, Nas is really bullish right now. Nas is real bullish right now. So it's definitely going to be quite interesting just to see what Price wants to do and whatnot. Because at the end of the day, we take a look at the 1 hour. If we take a look at the 1 hour, right? What do we have going on in the 1 hour right now? We have some gaps that got to get filled right here. Gaps, liquidity that has to be filled. So, hey, it's going to be interesting to see what Price wants to do. That's all I can really say. It's going to be real interesting on what Price wants to do and whatnot. That's all I can say. So, see what happens with Nas. See if it wants to correct back down. Let's see if it wants to. Let's see. It just took out the London session high right here. So we'll see. We'll see. Euro USD, what you got going on, homie? Well, I'll say one thing I people Euro USD within the 5 minute, right? 5 minute price action was bearish, as we see. It was moving bearish for a second, and now boom, took out the lows and just kept going right back up, honestly. Took the liquidity out down here, the London local liquidity. Now price is really trying to turn bullish, but what did it just do? It just took out some liquidity from these order blocks right here. So just stop on it. So there's orders all right here in these order blocks, right? Because people, of course, trade order blocks, and you got those newbie traders that are like, oh, I'm gonna just take this trade during a news event. It's just price is just gonna bounce, tap in, and just start flying down, which can possibly happen. But what are the odds, you know? So you definitely are taking a trade with the Fed. You want to trade with the Fed, not against the Fed. Number one thing you always want to do and whatnot. But they definitely got to stop on it though, 100%. They definitely got to stop on it. Now they're looking at price going right back down. Now they're like, oh my gosh. And now they can hop in right now. But if they hop in, let's say price goes up and it's my final TP, then they're gonna be really looking stupid. So that's just the thing with low psychology level traders. They see one thing, they just change their bias up consistently. You never want to be like that. You got to be consistent. Let's take a look at Nas right now. Nas is trying to get to this order block. Definitely, I would not enter in this trade aggressively. I just would not enter in aggressively at all. I would just wait for some type of price action within the candles and then get an entry off of that. Once it retests this demand zone. But we'll see what happens. That's all I can say. You never know. You really never know at this point. Price can just literally do anything it wants to do. Anything it wants to do. Let's just see what happens. Let's see what Price wants to do. Let's see. Let's see. Let's get it near. It's starting to reject. Starting to reject. Probably wants to really honestly do at this point. I definitely wouldn't hop in this one aggressively though. 100%. I would not hop in as soon as he taps it. Just gotta wait for some good price action. Let's go back up to Euro USD. I definitely want to see this one hit that final TP, but like I said, we'll see what happens, of course. It was overall a good trade. It was overall a really great trade and whatnot. I just imagine if we caught it from right here. Oh my goodness. That would be crazy. Real crazy. Take a look what Nas doing right now. It's really not doing much. Just Price want to do. Now it's just tapping in. Exactly why I said don't hop in aggressive on this one. Exactly why. Do not go on aggressive. That's exactly why. I'm glad nobody got in that one aggressive. Wait for some good candlestick price action first. Then you enter. Price just wanted to be bearish. But Euro USD, on the other hand, ah, good old Euro. Look at it soar up into the wind. I'm just selling. See, I'm gonna tell you exactly what happened here, bro. Price took out the liquidity from up here, rejected. Now I'm selling. That's all it's doing. Wow. Let's see what Euro USD wants to do. Come on, Euro. Come on, get up there, get up there, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, up.